Alright guys, unboxing Amazon triple burner forge. Yeah, I'm just like everyone else that wants to pound on steel and create my own knives. Have fun. So we're gonna see what this guy has. Let's see what we got here. Put this knife up here so my dog doesn't come in and step on it. So it looks like we've got the burners just chilling here, and regulator must be. Alright, so you got the burners. It looks like they give you some gloves that are cheap welder's gloves. This might be a little heavy to pick up. Yeah, hold on a sec. Oh, Lord. Now, looks like you get, you grab this gas forge. Oh yeah, you got some safety instructions here. We're gonna not read those. There's probably some stuff in here. Oh yeah, okay. There's some. Oh, there's even more stuff in there. Oh yeah, I gotta get that insulation all over yourself. Yeah. So, maybe more stuff from the other side. This is a double door. Got the double door version. I also, right, there's some tongs. Oh, looks like some random crap. All right, let's see. Some more random crap. Yeah, I bought some 2-inch insulation because what I heard is this 1 inch is crap. Let's get a little view through here. There we go. There's the unit there. I got some 2-inch padding because the 1-inch padding I hear isn't good enough personally. So it looks like there's just 3 chunks of that crap for whatever reason. Looks like you get some tongs or whatever you call those, pliers. These are probably for the doors. A little flux brush, some bricks, and you get your gloves, and you get the burners that go on the top. So this is basically just the unboxing here. This must be the regulator. Yeah, there's the regulator. So I'm not going to go too in depth with this thing here. I just wanted to show you what you get. This is your Amazon special here. Looks like it was $189, something like that. And you get your directions. on how not to burn your face, probably. Just gonna put this sucker back in the box till I'm ready to get to pounding. But I'm gonna have to load this guy up with some good insulation. This stuff seems pretty crappy. I mean, all right, cool. It just comes right out and then it folds into itself, it looks like. So I'll pull that out. I got the box of insulation already, the 2-inch. Looks like it should work. It'll just have a smaller chamber here with the 2-inch. So, looks good though. Like you could stick your knife through there and heat it up. Your blade. Doesn't look too bad though. It's pretty heavy. I think it was like 50 pounds altogether, something like that. So I'll get this all packed back up so it doesn't just sit out like this on the floor, but I thought I'd show you guys what it comes with, and I will do another video once I get this thing set up and rocking and start pounding on some steel. But you know that proper planning prevents piss poor performance. I'm not just going to start screwing around. I don't have any oil to quench. I don't have a quench tank. I have a bunch of leaf springs that I'm going to be turning into some random knives. But I'll let you know once I get to pounding on it. I bought a 55-pound anvil. I believe I need a 200-pound, which is hilarious. And then I bought one of those things that you can wrap wrought iron around, because I'm going to do some artistic iron also, like custom towel racks and paper towel holders, toilet paper holders, such like that, coat hangers. But keep your eye out for videos. I'll start forging. All right, Moto Meat out.